Even I have to represent it for a thing called SWAT team. It don't know, even one doctor look. It don't know a pretty girl child. It don't know Fretdem. You understand? Boom! Even a one chance. You only need one. Giving that opportunity. And you will see with big blocks. So right now we need money in a bank book. Then see the man foot and roll up like pump and his footing. Boom! Acting percent.
Lads, add a guess to your life. Okay. Tell your friends to watch. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Good evening. People me say me come before work, I'm at more than the blood clot kitchen. Hey, pretty where you there? Pretty day. Me there, don't just give me 1 minute, me not going nowhere. I am here. Me there. Set me there. Alright. Whoa, my friend there. Hold up, my friend. Hurry up and answer.
What on the Fretdem?
Hold on there to blood clot. Hold on there, hold on there, hold on there. I want my iPhone there. Hold on there, pretty. Oh. Hold on. People come for rubber and girl, you know. I'm just like a rubber. What you say, pretty? Rub the bitch with Scotch Bright.
Scotch Bright.
Agnes. Agnes, you know, say your blood clot wicked. Yeah, you're wicked. Because me and your friend from us in 2015 and in 2019, you couldn't tell me say Colonna Asset. Agnes, you wicked no blood clot. Agnes, so sick, you wicked no blood clot. Or you know, tell me say Colonna Asset. Hey girl, oh you wicked so. Or you do your friend like that.
Sweetie 2K, big up.
Up to the time.
Pretty girl. Even a star on the world, everything correct.
Kaboom.
Even a SWAT team, I want them high up to the percentage. SWAT team, them straight and clean, boss, I'm long. But.
Very hot team.
Mr. Agnes, hold on there. Let me play with intro.
Pop.
Alright, we are bossing intro. Look. Me say, me can't believe that my friend never tell me that. All you chin, you know you're wicked. Hey, oh come here, no, hold on, friend. And you never tell Mr. Colonna Asset. You know, no wicked, no wicked, no wicked, no wicked, no blood clot, no wicked. Hey, Miss Backdoor, Miss CIA, you have the picture. Me say, hold on the people. A girl come out and tell me, say, me can't blood clot afford nothing from Apple. Everybody, I'm gonna just hold on there. I want me flip this.
But that's not what you even told her. You didn't tell her.
No, not tap on the eyes. Hey, bitch, hold them there, hold blood clot them there. You say me not have Apple Watch this. Bitch, look, one for me big data. Look, 2 head blood, 2 ear. Hey, me data last one already know. And my husband go buy me another one. And people look, it brand new in the box same way. It brand new in the box same blood clot. We hold on there. Watch it.
Up chin. Up.
Sit here. Brand new in the box same. All me do I take out the charger and give it to my daughter. Girl, you out of your blood clot mind. Eh?
She can't afford
bitch, you think blood clot color. Bitch, Apple Watch 3 series. Look.
Can't afford it. None at all.
How the blood clot do you, lady? Lady, Apple box over your pa, Apple box, MacBook. Lady, this is my blood clot iPad. Yes, so my husband buy me. This is my blood clot daughter iPad.
All your kids
Nasty
have
blood
iPads
clot girl. So
and
good
cell
girl. What do
phones.
you? This is a blood clot that tablet. What did that girl ya? Nasty girl. See you said this is a MacBook. What is this?
No, but hold on, Fretdem.
Miss,
That's not even
look,
her
Mrs.
phone.
Blood Clot, e banks come for done, you nasty blood clot. See me dress there. You say me not married and you say, hi, Disha, boo. Disha, you wicked too. You could have tell me, say, color acid. You say me not married. See me dress. Take a good look at it. All right. Uno hold on there. Look. Girls, material things you're talking a blood clot, but this is
She
a
needs to show her
HP.
picture with her wedding
This is
picture.
the
That's what she needs to
HP.
show.
Girl, we not frightened. So good. This is a blood clot. Some a Sony. Hold on there. Hold on there. How I do she? I rub you want come around me place. Hold on there.
Don't kill me.
Girl, don't blood clot kill me. Okay? Don't kill me. So now you gotta talk about asset of your Louis Vuitton. Girl, you see leather? When you see me with me leather, don't bad mind it. This is leather. This is leather.
It
I want you
stays
to go
stiff.
inside your bag and tell me what's the blood clot code in your bag. Make me get to look. This is leather. And now no pussy girl. When you buy Louis Vuitton,
You get
hello,
it
look,
in
before
a
I got me
box.
Louis Vuitton belt when my son buy me. So pussy girl, look, this is leather. You see it? This is leather. Look,
No, but it
Louis
doesn't fold up.
Vuitton.
It doesn't
Look,
fold.
mommy, look, Louis Vuitton. Me not frightened for blood clot. Louis, cause for the time I can't even spell it correctly. How would the blood clot do you? Girl, when you buy a Louis Vuitton bag, yeah, you have to
You
get
get
the
a card
case
with
like
it.
this.
Yeah.
You have to get the fucking bag,
It comes
Louis
in a box.
Vuitton.
It don't come in no plastic.
You
From flea
understand?
market.
Louis Vuitton I make them then. So pussy
She got
girl.
hers from the
This
flea market,
MCM bag, none
Fretdem.
of them ya me no blood clot buy because me nah give Louis no $1,200 and big pussy Sharon Palmer buy the Louis bag for $1,200. And you see the MCM, you see coming a 2-piece. Me daughter no there, so she have the other piece. Hold on there. You know no sense how you
No
out of
name
your
brand,
mind.
Fretdem. You forget?
Girl, I could show you the bird
afford
surfing
it.
ticket for my bag. Cause they're real like a blood clot baby. Them have bird surfing ticket.
Everybody gets
Okay?
exactly. She
Me
don't.
can show you, look. Girl, fake bag don't have this kind of thing. You talk so me nah nothing show. Look. You say, oh girl, me daughter, them this one that just come today. This one just come today. Now what me daughter shit. That's one. Alright. You say me got teeth. Me never know so when you got teeth. You can't have blood clot hugs in a box and all of these things. Just to show you don't know nothing about shopping. Dirty whore. Hold on there. You wanna see
That
me wedding
idiot,
dress?
yo.
Hold on there. I'm gonna show you my wedding dress. I'm gonna show you my wedding dress right now. Since sister, I know my
You bury
blood
little Kevin
clot
I it. And
wedding dress.
she
Me
never
very
see
little
that
kid
video.
night people and me go back over the fucking cemetery, go take out the boy. I say me show you my picture. Girl,
Exactly.
the blood clot wedding dress, you stink about my blood clot. Dolly, look
Fretdem,
and
don't
tell
kill
me
me.
if I know this same dress, this. Suck pussy girl, see my wedding blood clot dress there. See the picture there? And you want to see
Exactly.
more picture too? See it there? See my foot I kick it there, see it there? This is mine's. You see how my side cut out? Hold on there. How are you? Girl, see the dress here. Stop talk bumbo pussy blood clot over $500 me have it for. Hey, me can't wait till one of them look up the only Rihanna alone this can't fit cause he's slim. When him a graduate this him a wear. Me not lie. Girl, look on it. Look at it. When you see me, Mr. Disha, what's
bad
going on
mind.
is you have this nasty blood clot girl when you love Saunders. Disha, me never know the girl. Me say me never know the
Gorilla.
girl from Adams well. And she near Osha. And the girl not stop call up my name and talk about say me can't afford apple. Look how much blood clot apple things over here. Girl, you think so nobody frightened for apple?
She show
Nobody
cologne,
don't
all
frightened for
these
apple.
outdated
Disha,
cologne that
hold
nobody
on there
don't
pretty.
wear again.
Dish. Yeah, hold on the dish, pretty. Dish the girls say, cologne a asset. Me never know the color acid and none of never tell me now wicked. When you talk about acid, car is not even acid, can you drive it off? You could have paid $50,000 fee to drive it on the back and come back. Oh Jesus, it don't work that again. So when are you talking? Know what you talk say. Girl, know what you talk say. You talk about my wedding ring. Girl, this is assets. These are assets. I could sell these motherfuckers. I can. You can't sell
Exactly.
them. So you out about and blood clot bright, you come talk about you got a supermarket. Girl, let me ask that question. And how much you own on the house? And you got a blood clot
She said
supermarket. Go back
7,
one
6
little
or
bit of
7.
bill. Eh?
Like that.
One little bill. Girl, you talk about Gucci.
Hold on, but didn't she say the 2 boy there in a college? So all 6 or 7 people there.
Well, I know this is a Gucci blood clot bathroom rug.
Bumbo. See it there now. That alone just smash up the whole of the perfume and everything.
This is a blood clot Gucci shower curtain. Hey, I just get a package.
Disha,
I will
slow bad.
open it
Bad.
and show you. She sound low, pretty girl. They say you sound low. I will show you
No,
what's
she said
in
she
this
sounds slow.
package. Eh? Yes, she sounds slow. Hold on there. Do you see another Gucci rug? Me no frightened for blood clot Gucci. I want to walk up on it.
Okay.
Hold on.
She frightened for things, yo. Well, I'm frightened.
Me have to open this. Hold on there. Just hold on. Girl, the Gucci shower curtain this. Anytime I put it up, me I go show you. You talk about an iPhone you buy for your daughter, you come out and tell the world you buy for your daughter. How are my Gucci slippers there? You said I the new Gucci slippers for this summer. Girl.
That
You want
alone
to
just
see the
kill
made
her
in blood
whole.
clot Italy stock pussy girl. This are the Gucci slippers for this summer. Girl, you come tell me about Gucci. You see me frightened for Gucci? I don't give a fly fuck for Gucci, for Coochie, for Nuvi, whatever. So when you talk, Osha, aka Love Saunders, get your shit straight. Get your shit straight. Girl, you talk about, let me tell you something. You know, say you're uneducated. Not because New York minimum wage is $15. That doesn't mean everybody in New York get $15. So you gotta tell me, say you don't have enough sense to know. Say, all right, so nurses get $15, police get $15, firefighter get $15. Oh, girl, have a blood clot seat. A 2 fridge me having in my bumbo clot house. So when you go talk about you buy steak, the steak look like it, you know, see it look frozen over it, you notice you push it in the camera like that and take it back off.
It looked like she bought it already and put it on the camera.
Pretty girl, you sound low.
No, I said she sounds like, it looked like she took it out the freezer and show it and then put it back down. You can't
So
really
not that
see it.
man.
Can't see
No,
it.
not that. She out her blood clot, man. So now we are going to say, first of all, you know why? You never finish school. You know why you never finish school? You cannot follow direction. You say you have a house. Me video myself, I go in my house. Me open my door. Me show you my 2030 Morano. What the blood clot else you want from me? You say me not own nothing. So me start small. What else do you want? Hey, you need a good wig. You need a good blood clot wig. Me not lie. Hey, me I look for the picture. Look on this ugly blood clot duckling. Look at this. Look at this ugly bitch. You know, so we put the monkey in her face and she and the monkey look alike. No, girl, you have to go stop it. You cannot come out and say people don't have things. Girl, you say you're married not too long ago. I saw your married certificate. I thought you never live in Ontario, Canada. So, oh, you say you never live right there.
Toronto, Canada.
Toronto, me mean. Oh, you say you never live in Toronto. Hey,
It says
Girl, you see
Toronto,
when you
Canada
lie,
on it.
God will beat your blood clot. Look for your big dirty stinking alopecia. And you claim if you say that are you really here. In nasty germs, bucket, cum bucket, tuck and spit out blood clot, drunk crow. Baboon, pussy hole, me
Baby
nah no
ape,
banana over your Sophie. Give up. You
baby
understand?
gorilla. To blood clot. Don't
No,
kill
that's
me.
not a baby. That's some undeveloped gorilla. Look for your nasty blood clot that you talk about people. You out
You
of
have
your
to
mind,
zoom it
lady.
in. Zoom it in, Fretdem. Zoom it in.
No, hold
All of
on
the
there.
nigga ball out. That's why she
Hold
wears
on there.
little
You
short
said marriage
braids.
certificate. This are your marriage certificate, lady? Lady, are you out of your mind?
So
Girl,
if
go
her
have a
last name
seat.
is Saunders and she said it's Love Saunders, why not just
But
show Love
another, she said
Saunders?
she never live in Ontario. People who no can read. Wait, me and there. You see that big all
Toronto,
right, yes, sir?
Canada. Yeah.
Wait. Let me bring it up. So you can see. Just the bottom of her finger. Look on the big dirty Ontario, Canada. But she said she never lived in it.
Toronto, Canada. And that is close to
No, me don't
Finch.
be
That's
social
in
media
the
to
in the
China. No, you're
Canadian
the
Finch
only one.
area.
No.
That's when she lived in Finch, Fretdem.
Yeah, that's what me I start. But if you live somewhere, you live somewhere. Even if government are
Right
mind you,
now,
come out like the grizzly bear and say, yeah, government a blood clot mind me, a babe.
yeah, but right now
But
she
don't
lives
lie.
in Burlington, Ontario. So that there's a big difference there. If it was 5 years ago, how it looks so mash up, how it looks so bend up, and not put in a
Look at
safe
this.
deposit box or something, right? Fucking old
Look at
monkey.
this
Watch
blood
him.
clot.
She
You
look
know, say that
younger than
skin for
40,
us done.
Fretdem.
Huh?
She look younger than 40 to you?
Look
Are you
younger than
kidding me?
40 and fret them about if you go lick down 40 and kick down and box down 40. Girl go have a blood clot seat about 40. Me not lie. If
She
this
look
is what
like
you
Grizzly
call
Bear
go to
age.
supermarket, right, and buy 4 nutriment, and you have 3
Something.
blood clot pitney and you buy 2 boxes of cereal, you need something.
4 kids. She said she has 7 people in her household.
That's what me know. This
So
is where
where's
you look,
all
7 people in your hustle and this is where you shop. Girl, go have a seat, man. When you shop, you have to shop all 3, 4, 5
no,
cat,
but
man.
where's all the snacks for the kids and stuff? Like to warm up if they're hungry or just to grab like a flaky or like a half moon or something. There's none
But
of
that's what
that.
me I say. In America, you have a lot of kids where you buy Nutella for them, right? You da
Yeah.
buy the cheesesteak, you da buy the little apple, them little juicy juice. So when you go out, you
No
just
juice
focus
box.
and say, yeah, buy for you and your so-called man, and then I'm have to eat it.
Yeah, because she looks like one of those parents that if you touch her
What going,
pussy,
bro? Bro,
if
one
you
girl around here said, me not have Apple Watch and Apple phone.
if
When
you
that video
take her
done, me I go
pussy,
post it, I go see what Apple product
she
me blood
beat
clot.
them. For them, it look like even if she take a snack, if one of the kids even take a snack, she beat them or yell at them for minutes because
But
there's
that's how
nothing
she good,
there.
that's how she do it. But I know that she can't shop at Costco because she said Costco is too expensive. And remember, Costco would have been good for her in Adisha because she have a lot of kids. So you would have be able to buy in bulk. Or you're going to go to the store, you have 3 kids in the house, and you buy 1 box of cornflakes. No fucking milk. Jesus Christ, do you see the little pack of meat where she buy? You want to see the
Exactly.
little pack of meat? So let me ask you. I saw everybody I get 1 little piece of meat because remember beef, and if it big like this, so you don't cook it, it go shrink like this.
No, but Fretdem,
No.
if she has vegetables in the garden, she's so-called making organic stuff in the garden. Why is she buying the same stuff in the grocery store?
Because
Duh.
she dumb.
She's
She dumb,
stupid.
that's why. She not have no fucking say, me say people, me there work from 5:30 this morning. But me say, me I forget that girl there 20 minutes out of my life. I forget, me not understand why on the blood clot bad mind fret them.
Yeah, she took out all the groceries before she put them away where they're supposed to go. Nobody cares what you buy from the grocery store, lady. Nobody gives a fuck what you buy at the grocery store. So
Me
I
not,
don't.
me not ramp with 11-year boy, I know. Me know say the same thing we say. She take out the little bit of grocery and put it on top of the fucking counter. Because when she show the meat like so, see yeah, and this is steak, and then she put it on. And you know like when meat in fridge so long, and you have the ice that's built around it, that's how it look.
Exactly. If you have a big pool in your backyard, why why you go to buy a splash pad. Exactly.
But that's what me want to know. But me not pool in my backyard, you know, but my neighbor have pool and my neighbor pool belong to us.
For
yeah,
real.
that's us.
Yep.
Them and we. That's our neighbor pool, not me, you know, because me not go in a pool. Me not want to see me nobody piss.
No, but it's
my
not
people,
even
them
like
would
you
go in
want her
there.
to go swim in it. Why don't you just video you
But that's
walking
what no, I'm
around
just saying in general. This is what I don't understand. How could you have a pool, right? But you could never show your foot a dip in the pool. When you're there, the white people in yard, you have to look over the fence like so.
Exactly.
You have to look over the fence like that and I see everything. Remember, I know
She
you say
stays
you
at
are a
the
good
side of the
mom.
house.
So how do you work at night and you have young kids like 7, 8 years old, bitch?
Twins at that. Not even just
Twins like that, bitch. And you want to talk about me? The little piece of girl, I would have your mother named Saunders and you can't show. Me can't show you wedding picture
one
from
of
now
her
till a
brothers, even
morning.
her brother probably got married and I show a old certificate.
Exactly, because you
That
say your
is
name is love, so why you can't
show the love.
Brother with them blood clot people, you stress me out. But don't
And
stress
she's
out
the
and
one
tired
that
of
said
us.
that Fretdem. We never said that her name is Love Saunders. She said it on her live.
I know.
My rightful
But her name is Osha.
Really? Osha?
Yeah, that's her name. Her name is Osha.
So even if
She
it was
doesn't want to write
Osha
the name. Her name is
Saunders,
fucking Osha.
like just like oh god, this woman just and you
She
see how
name
much
Osha, she
videos
don't want
she
to buy
made?
me. Wherever your name, I left a dog shit your name. Say a dog shit your name, bitch.
But
The
do you
fuck
see
you
how
want
much
to tell people?
videos she made? She made like 10
People,
videos.
see me over here, me attack. And you know, so the bitch me attack, but me don't even know this so good girl. Every day the girl up on YouTube. I mean, now every day she up on YouTube. Fretdem. Say, dirty fret, the bitch of me blood clot, dirty, you know, come use your tongue and come la 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 under me. And come beard me. Eh?
Yes, exactly. Chat too much.
Walking out my mom's house, walking out my mom's place. That's where I got dressed.
She can't show those things with her and her man though. She could cover
Chat to my back, chat to my
show hers?
back. After you know act like that.
Why she
Tell her
don't
come
come
tell
show
me
hers
blood
and
clot,
cover
girl.
her man's face? Like
Hey, bitch, me
she
can
live
show
in
you.
low income housing for them. We pay $200 a month. Yeah? $200-300 a
But
month.
that's what everyone know. Nobody don't know my first name, but everybody knows say my blood clot married near me banks. So me all have phone case with me fucking picture upon it there. So I said, me, girl, go have a seat, yeah. Go have a blood clot, kid.
Fretdem, how do you make homemade tomatoes?
Oh, how do I make homemade tomato? We are going at the back and we are going to plant some tomato. We are going to call it homemade.
Yeah. The fuck you're she fool? What a big blood clot.
When girl dumb,
Idiot. Yo.
She said on me from my wedding picture, I who that? I who that? Because I don't want to see my pitney. I who that, bitch?
You don't have to prove nothing to the jankro.
Yeah, bad man, I go kill her.
Prove. Everybody sees
bad
you
man, I go kill her.
She said she wants to see you driving. Look how much videos on YouTube. If she was really investigating you and looking at, she would have seen how much videos. Even the day
but that's what you want to know. Now, what do you just do a live? I said it, go get, I said, me, I drive, lady. What the fuck you feel like? Anybody and everybody can have a car. You say me don't have a car, me video me car and show you. You say me don't have a house, me video me house and show you. You say me don't have no Apple product. Look how much Apple product me just show you a little while. No, brother. Brother, hold on there. Brother, hold on there. Brother, look, when she see me good, hold on there. Brother, when she see me now, my Gucci blood clot shower curtain, she better try no bad mind it. Try no blood clot bad mind it. You talk about Gucci. Girl, come stop me. Brother, everybody, all of my people them have iPhone. And I can't find the rest of the box them because the rest of them not there here. Look, earbuds. 2 earbuds me have. This is one year, my daughter last 1 year, and our teacher supposed to give it back because guess what? Charter school, she go and responsible for her bag. This one year is a brand new blood clot earbuds in her seat there. Plastic they will come off. See me Apple Watch for my blood clot and see the box there for me Apple Watch and one for my daughter. The girl say me don't have an iPad. See me iPad dear. See me daughter iPad ear. See the other baby tablet here. What the fuck more do you want? Look, you said me don't have a Mac blood clot book. And look, this a Gucci bathroom rug here. Is for this Gucci shower curtain that just came today. Okay, me got take a nice picture. And this is the rug for the other one. Me not got it for Gucci.
So how she put all of the perfume them on the kitchen counter? Why she never just leave them on the dresser? And just
girl, love I just stop talk rascal. Girl, one time I go Gucci, I want blood clot Gucci cologne. Me have one. I mean never hide and tell nobody. Me never buy it. I'm my best friend blood clot buy it. I go buy one cologne.
Those are outdated. You get them for $19.99 at Shoppers Drug
No,
Mart.
first of all, I never a Gucci. Them a Gucci. You not get this thing all the way fucked up. If you can't buy good for your body, look on the ear where the woman have on her blood clot head. And the woman a go say, oh Jesus, brother, what my godson doing? I go ask about my godson. Oh Jesus, I'm a Louis Vuitton belt. My son buy me that belt for my birthday December last year. People at one time I buy it. Girl, see the number here?
Yeah, the $19.99.
97.29.
The perfume are $19.99. She can't afford that for them.
You can't afford Gucci belt. And I say when I do that, I want Wally and give some blood clot beat me with that belt. You see big pussy girl. I'm a Gucci bag of big pussy Sharon Palmer buy me Gucci bag Louis Vuitton. I wearing Louis Vuitton. I'm no blood clot buy it. I buy a bag for $1,200. Girl, give me my mortgage money, huh? Right. That's mortgage money. And me can't show you the padlock. Girl, your Louis Vuitton bag. Andrea, look. Louis Vuitton bag. See, Louis Vuitton. Look. See, my wedding dress for you said me never married. Show me your Louis Vuitton. Hey, me have all the keep on my blood clot car key. Suck pussy girl, move your nasty blood clot from boy. Alright? See it there. Hey, me have to go look a girl for scam. Girl, when your bag say Louis Vuitton, you know leather? This is leather. Me and you can't go in any Louis store. And me can't get the number in it. You can't go ask them if you read it. If you did there, so I'll give you. Hey, no worry. Me can't give you a bag, but it won't be Louis Vuitton. It will be Aldo. I'll have some nice $80 bag and some $95 bags and all those bags. Yeah.
But her bag, but Fretdem, she has her purse them on the tomatoes on her counter. Anybody ever do that? Who does that? Really? Who does that? Come on.
Why my godson I watch better love? My godson not supposed to know his godmother is rude. Right? Why? Hey! Miss one nice little Benz me want buy for my godson. I'm my godson and I go drive Benz too. He might be 1 year old yet, but he might go drive him Benz. So you can't blood clot talk to him. When he might drive, he go perp. When you can't talk to him.
That's true.
No way. Girl, let's stop talking about blood clot vanity. Cause me never know say cologne asset. So all this time, me almost 40 years old, all this time me on the earth, me never know say. She said me don't have a car. You want to go take a spin? Tanya! Love Saunders said me not have no Apple Watch, me not have no Apple phone, me not have no bag, me not have no nothing. See this I'm a car. See the MUR? Yeah. MUR mean it stand for Morana. When you got a deal, I see me care. See? What I do go drive it here?
Can't go drive them kind of car to Fretdem. She has a winter beater I beat right now.
She not have them kind of car. Me just tired of the guy. Me say Tanya, that life you kick up the bitch, you know, but me can't kick him up in there so far. I mean not lie. Hey, yes, you see shiny leather chin. Stop lying. You see shiny leather. You see shiny leather, but only certain kind of people have those leather. We don't have them leather there.
You want me to tell you?
She bitter. I say Tanya just show a whole heap of apple things. The girl she bitter. She fucking bitter. She said, yo, let me tell you, the youngest child in this house is fucking Evan. Evan is 4. Evan don't have no iPhone, but he have an iPad. Exactly. Yeah, Evan have an iPad. She the youngest one in here, Evan have an iPad. Me not understand what you want from a blood clot life. You said me not have nothing, so you don't love me. Lady, me
only the
gotta work and me
outflow
tired.
them.
Love me no?
Back in the
Love me
days
blood
dressing
clot,
that.
man.
Back in the days dressing pleather. It's called pleather.
When the girl talk about Michael Kors, you hear Michael
Oh,
Kors
Michael
say he don't
Kors
like your
bad.
niggas to be wearing his
Bumbo.
clothes, his bag, and all your fake fucking hair inside of it.
She has a pleather bag and she's calling it about leather, about
She stand
Michael
me do
Kors.
me not lie, me look different and I'm wear the picture of the girl saying on me. Lord God, when you're bad mind and everything, I know the people there. You're too fucking wicked. Move fire, man. I never see a girl bad mind. So, it's the people that would have give some beating with a leather belt test the hotness. The amount of beating me want to get a girl with the leather. The girl see me and me think I'm bad mind me. So, me never know, say, when you go to store, go thief, you get all the shoes box. So that means that I wish to in a New York, you can go thief and get the shoes box. Because me not lie now, me lift up people's shoes already now, but me never get the box. Me just see the 2 foot of shoes in the store and me just try them on and me walk out like I'm a paper store.
But how you get
I
past
don't
it?
want a
Usually
fucking
stores have
store.
security. They have more security now than before. So how you
But
get
that's
past
what me I
them
talk about.
with the box
You know, see
and
the girl now.
everything? Fucking fool. She dumb, yo. She
Just
don't know how
stand
to.
there.
She has no sense of style. Fretdem. We can't argue with them. She have no style, no flavor. She have nothing about her. All she could talk about is this and Black Nation, Black Nation, Black Nation. Me bumbo. Yeah, teach the Black
Good
Nation nothing,
question.
or yeah, dumb them down. Cause all she does
Good
is talk
question,
down to
Chin.
them.
Chin, that's a very good question, right? If you have all these nice clothes, when you step out, remember the bitch not gonna wear regular, you know. So when you got your son graduation, you should have step out, man. Put on your fucking best because him only graduate from that school age once. Me don't know the girl look like he have all different kind of color. Girl, you not tired of that wig there?
No, but
I bet you got dirty
she
grizzly
said
bear for one and blood clot wig there because him probably that gear one and then think and hey like that fellow said then
them
think
have
and front, you know.
cockroach.
They
Them have all kind of
with the good
something
at
them.
think. That love not say stink, you know, he said think.
Think.
I mean not lie. Girl, you see the next blood
She
clot
can't even
time.
afford a Michael Kors dress. You kidding me?
The next time you're saying sardine. Me don't remember how she said it again, pretty girl.
Sardines. Or something like
Sardine.
some
Yes, sardine.
sardine. She can't even pronounce it. And if you go to so-called school, you'll be able to pronounce everything.
Me not
She and
lie. Me say
Amari go
at
to the
least,
same university to Bumbleclad. Don't kill me.
me never know who the
Go for
fucking
the
girl
dunce.
is. Me say I just every day me see I make video, I make video about me. Bitch, you obsessed with my blood clot. Me not obsessed with woman, you know. That's why I'm
Exactly,
married to a
Atlas.
man. Me no lick blood clot crutches. The
Tanya,
fuck me I do
real
I lick
bad.
crutches? Yeah,
Real,
me
real
no lick
bad.
crutches. Yeah, when I'm a banner still in
No,
the
but
fucking back.
hear her Fretdem. But Michael Kors from head to toe. No makeup, just a little, So what's the little, what is that, foundation or lip gloss? What is it? Because you're still wearing
No, you have
makeup,
to understand
bitch.
something. The girl put on thing and she never look good yet. I don't understand why everybody come on
The
Facebook is
same
always
hair,
Dr. Love
the
fret
same
them.
hair from
Always
ever
Dr.
since
Love
she
blood
was in
clot fret them.
school.
Why always Dr. Love and fret them? I don't know. Some people just come, Dr. Love fret them, Dr. Love fret them. Every time when you want a blood clot bus, and you talk about unscrupulous animal that don't live nowhere. When you talk about the look spread out mouth boy, we look like when you throw blood clot flitters in a tile. When they on YouTube, I call me, say, I know me never see the drunk crow. You know the reason why me pitch pan you because me don't draw some blood clot breaks in your ear and tell the people them say a wig you have on. Nothing no wrong with wig, you know. But when you're wearing a wig, say, well, you're wearing, you know, so me cut my hair, me have a nice wig. Nice wig.
Exactly.
Me still, you look, me come from work and me still have a my neck pan my blood clot here. Oh, I was a Pocahontas.
But you still look
Yeah.
good for them.
Me a Pocahontas, I go make my
If
blood
people supposed
clot
to come
money.
online to look good and dress up, but you never look good. You not
No,
even
me
when
in
you
my
dress or
work
you
clothes,
don't
I
dress.
don't look good. See me
No, but
uniform,
Fret
bitch.
them. The clothes where you
Bitch.
have on
You wanna
right
know? I
now,
could tell you
beat.
where I work, bitch. I work in Wagner. I work in Wagner fucking college in Staten Island. Come in there and try me, bitch. Cause all the knife I got in the kitchen, your belly will be empty in that blood clot. Come and try me. So
Mia,
pussy
up,
fucking fool. Fucking only that. Me just tell pretty girl, me
ugly
tired
ass
of them, you know.
bitch. And I'm
Me a big
tired
up
of hearing
yourself. Me
these
tired of
ugly
them.
bitches, Fretdem. These ugly ass motherfuckers coming on live and calling other people ugly. How the fuck you ugly and you calling somebody else ugly? You fucking ugly mutt. Like, get the fuck out of
That's
here
more than
now.
ugly.
Fucking please.
This is more than ugly, not too wicked. No
She
man.
call
No,
people
me have a
ugly and
picture.
she favor gorilla. Baby
Me
gorilla,
have a
baby
picture.
ape.
I went
Fucking
since
bright.
really look like this. People look how the alopecia drop out. That's why she look there. Look
She get beat
there.
up when she did young. They probably report the whole of the fucking nigga right here.
No,
She
I done
want
not
that
stiff like
Zutu pack.
wow.
She want that
Hey!
Zutu pack.
Hold on, the pretty
Remember.
girl. Pause. So how come me have the whole I know as my friend and then I don't gonna tell me say a world heap of things. Me know say me hear
Yes.
people say a whole heap of things, you know. But not a world heap of things.
WHOLE. Whole heap of things. Not world. Leap of
And
things.
you talk about people
That
can't
don't even
spell
make sense.
because me don't put a comma, me don't put a period.
That doesn't even make sense though. For the world leap of
This
things.
is the
Listen,
woman,
people.
Agnes, that woman you depend
Listen.
YouTube. Every blood clot minute. Dr. Love, Fretdem, dirty Fretdem. Look on the blood clot and
Look
scrupulous
who's calling
animal.
people dirty. Dirty. Eh? Can I
And
get
the
a
woman never have
wow?
a piece of decent blood clot clothes.
Can
She
I
said,
get a
me need
wow,
some weight.
Fretdem? Can I get a wow? She says that's her real hair
Can
and
I
it's
get a
thick like
wow?
board.
Ain't it? Can I get a
Can I get
fucking
a
wow? You get
fucking
more than
wow?
wow. Because I want to kick this bitch. This
The
out.
hair
Love
stiff,
Sanders, we
stiff,
find your ugly
stiff
pitney them.
like our
Love
pussy.
Sanders, me find
Don't
your
kill
blood
me.
clot, dopey pitney them. You come talk about my blood clot pitney. You say you pitney them ugly like you. Only because them blood clot a little bit light. I'm not care for light. Come lava juice me la under my blood clot body when me done shit, bitch. Come blood clot lava juice me. That's what me I try for bumbo clot tell you. You can't come lava juice
No,
me.
but Fretdem, she has everything. It's like she obsessed with you. Everything the woman come talk about your tongue ring, about your ears ring, about
You come a
everything.
baby cute.
Oh, heaven, beautiful.
Yes, girl, is who did missing an animal. And me tell him, say, over here the animal there. And it's like, say, the fucking people, them not try. Hold on the people, me not lie. Look at this woman who say me ugly. Me not ugly, no, me just want care. Look how we put next to her. She the overwriter, so with that finger, yeah, move. With me finger,
Yo.
this is it. No, people, we not some wicked people, you know, look at that woman who say me ugly. They me not ugly, me just want care. You just want care. Look at this. You
Yeah,
know when people
Fretdem.
come Friday, all when a blood clot Monday.
Me
Look,
bumbo
you're in a
clock.
Canada, you have to wear hats to Canada for remember, see a Canada, you the who you
Don't
nasty
kill
blood
me.
clot, your country bunk and zook to
And
bumbo
look for the
clot
hair.
heck.
Look for the hair, Fretdem. She say, I feel her hair. It's stiff, like a board to blood clot.
Oh, you feel a big pool in your back. Now one inflated pool is right there, so.
Yes.
Yes, one time in my life, me did have inflated pool in my backyard, but me never tell nobody say me have no pool. I never
Exactly.
tell anyone I have any pool. Love Saunders, your house dirty no blood clot.
Look
See
on
there,
the
you did make that
drum.
video, you suck well on there. Suck pussy girl, you did make that video, yeah. Your house dirty, your house want blood clot clean up. You dirty piece of shit.
And she
You
have the
dirty,
nerve to
stinky,
talk about
nasty
people
blood
and their
clot,
house.
drunk.
She
Bitch,
need
all this are your ear, so this minute long and this minute short. Hey, girl, who you play with? Look how the wind all blood clot still. Hey, if I catch you, I give you some kick you to that swear to God. Say.
show the one with the braids, Fretdem, with the two braids and
No,
our hair
no.
peaky.
Hold on there.
Our hair
Hey,
peaky.
who raised up me dead blood clot graduation day? You all. What is you? What is this? What is this? Oh, what is it? How the fuck you go to your kid's graduation looking like this? This is Michael Kors. Oh my God. If this is Michael Kors, I don't know what is it. This is Michael Kors. And this is the dressing. Nothing wrong if you have cheap clothes, you know. This is when she said she in her house and watch the white people them picture with circle. You see the people there, white people picture them with circle? That girl is a blood clot wicked. This girl is a wicked. Up in the people them house. Look who say a real here. So this minute long and this minute short in the same week. Papa Jesus, if you don't give me some beating tonight for this, you see. If you don't give me some beating tonight. Because when it's all said and done, this need Jesus. This need Jesus. This need Jesus. Girl, this is a star that's born. Look at me. I'm cute. Can't talk to me. I love Saunders picture them. I look for more show you this blood clot dopey monkey. More show you. Oh, look at my godson. I just see my godson picture. I'm nice, see? My godson nice. My godson is nicer than yours, damn right. He's cute, is handsome than yours, damn right. Me now go back, Lord Jesus. Me can't find no more picture of the dopey blood clot girl. But you know I not have time for her. She remind me of a dopey over the wall.